Hey everybody! In this video, we'll fix the issue where your Google Chrome shortcuts are not showing on your home page. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up the Chrome. And once you open up the Chrome, what you can do is open up a new tab in the bottom. And from here in the bottom right corner, you can look out for this option called Customize Chrome. So select that. And once you select it here, you should be finding different options. You can need to scroll down and go to the shortcut section right here and make sure this option is enabled called shortcuts. So if this option is disabled, you just need to enable it by clicking on this option right here and toggle it on. And you can select this option of my shortcuts or most visited sites. And click on done. Also, if that does not work, you can reset your Chrome settings as well. Look out for the three dots and click on it and select the option of settings and open it up. Once you do so, you can go over to the reset settings option, click on it and restore the settings to their original default. That will fix the layout issues or any kind of Chrome data. And that is it. Also, you can clear cache. So go to settings, and under settings, you can go to privacy and security. Go to delete browsing data option, and you can select the option of deleting the data and confirm it up. And once it is done, you can just go over and open up a new tab. And then you can just go ahead and add the shortcuts manually by clicking on the add shortcut option, and that should work out for you. So that is it, everybody. These are the methods you can follow up if you would like to go ahead and fix the issue of the shortcuts not appearing. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.